roof ridge repair. Hello guys, and welcome back. So for today I'm on top of a roof and I'm trying to repair the ridge of this roof here. Now the ridge just went down for about let's say 10 centimeters, 15 centimeters, and I will have to put it back again. So you can see this was here, so this ridge here was in this place and everything came off and just went down. So right now I will just have to bring them up here again. Now the problem is I already started to take this one off, and this one it's going to go easily off, but the other ones are all one piece, so that means I will have to break them. Now first of all, don't do this at home. This is very difficult and dangerous. So yeah, I have just one ladder here. Everything is going to stay on this roof ladder, and I'm not feeling safe, and I'm also alone. And in this kind of jobs, you're never going to work alone because it's unsafe. So yeah, this is extremely dangerous, and don't do this at home. Let the professional do it. Or you can just hire a scaffolding or something to be more secure, more safe. Okay, so let's just start with the job. Now also on the neighbor side I see some tiles missing, and I'm sure that water is just going to go through there, and also that vent there is asbestos, and I don't like to work around asbestos. Okay, so I think that one is set up. It's even more stupid to work with the camera on top of a roof. Okay, so I just lost one of the ridges because, you know, if you saw earlier, it just fell because the bracket was loose. It was just one aluminium nail that it was holding all these ridges at the bottom. I'm just going to show you that later on when we are going to go down there. And yeah, for now I just finished. I don't have that ridge and it's too late to go and buy one, and I'm just going to clean up all this mess. It's quite hard to put old ridges back because they will have a lot of sand and cement on them, and if you are going to clean them up, you are just going to break them. So yes, we just had to put those back. If I have to do if you need to do a proper job from the beginning, you are just going to buy new ridges and you are going to install them without any problem. This gave me a little bit of headache, but at least I'm going to do it safe for now. So let's just clean at this point. So seeing that they are all the ridges which I put back, and I couldn't clean them too much, they are not looking that bad. So at this point I just need to buy one more and install it right over there. One missing, and I even put the bracket back, and that is going to hold everything in place. And the bracket, you can see it right there. Oh yeah, and before I'm going to forget, you saw it's not that difficult to clean the sand and cement once that it's fresh. So if it's fresh, it's not going to be hard to take off, to clean it. But if you leave it for the second day, then you are going to be in trouble. It's never going to go. So you saw I just used the brush and some clean water. That's it. No, none of the acids or strong chemicals like that. Just plain water and a brush. And you just need to take your time, and it's going to go easy. But yes, you just need to do it on that same day, and that is another tip for you. Okay, so here's the bracket that I was telling you about. And here is supposed to be the last ridge. So yeah, if that bracket would have been installed properly, it would have been it wouldn't had happened this type of problem here. And it's very dangerous, because if you don't have that bracket there, everything can fall, and it could hurt someone. So very careful when you do your roof. Now we just need to come back tomorrow with the ridge. And we are back. Okay guys, so I think our job here is done. Now everything is safe. They are not going to go anywhere, these ridge tiles here. So now I just need to take everything off, and that's it really. So I really hope that you enjoy this clip, that you learn something from it. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.